Hello, dear explorers on the island of knowledge. What connects a juicy, crunchy apple with a delicate, fragrant rose flower? The answer might surprise you. Even though they look completely different, they belong to the same botanical family. I invite everyone to discover this unusual connection in the world of plants. At the viewpoint tower, I met the elephant and the gorilla. The elephant was convinced that apples are actually fruits, pretending not to be flowers. He explained that at night, when no one is looking, apples open up and bloom like roses. Then, in the morning, they close again so everyone thinks they are just fruit. The gorilla, on the other hand, believed that roses are actually apples in disguise. He thought that if you smell a rose strongly enough, you might sense the scent of apple pie instead of flowers. I explained to them that apples are not pretending, and roses do not smell like cake. Their relationship is real and can be seen in how they are built. On the meadow of questions, I met the vulture and the tiger. The vulture shared that he noticed the flowers of wild apple trees and wild roses, although different in size, have a very similar structure, 5 petals arranged around a central point. The tiger added that he saw how, after the rose flower fades, a small round fruit appears, which has seeds inside, just like an apple, only much smaller. I agreed with them that these are great examples showing that even though fruits and flowers look different, the basic plan for how these plants are built is very similar. In the Cave of Riddles, I met the ibis and the sloth. I decided to check their knowledge and asked what they knew about the relationship between apples and roses. The ibis explained that a scientific proof of their close relationship is the structure of their flowers. He said that both apple and rose flowers have 5 petals and many stamens inside, which is a special feature of the rose family. The sloth slowly added that you can also see the similarity in their leaves, which often have jagged edges and grow on branches in a similar alternating way. I praised them for their knowledge, summing up that these shared features of flowers and leaves are proof that apples and roses are close botanical cousins. Dear researchers, today we discovered the surprising relationship between apples and roses. We learned that in nature, appearances can be misleading, and the true connections between living things are hidden in how they are built and where they come from. The rose family is a wonderful example of botanical diversity. I hope that from now on, you will look at the plants around you with even more curiosity. See you on our next adventures on the Island of Knowledge.